front of me is HUAWEI Mate 20 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use voice typing. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on the microphone icon at the bottom left corner. Then start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you want to stop, you can simply stop talking or click on the blue button. If you want to start again, click on the white one. If you wish to go back to your standard keyboard, click on this arrow at the top left corner. If you can't find microphone icon over here, click on gear 1 at the top, then this gear 1 at the top right corner. Select typing, click on voice and physical keyboard, and use the switcher next to voice input to enable it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!